Yeah.
Here we go. I'm gonna watch your reaction. Sorry,
Okay.
Beth, you ready for it?
Oh, I'm ready. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So for my friends in the attendee chat, I like how you're
Yeah.
just silent. You're not normally silent.
Yeah. Yeah.
My
They're like,
friends in the
well,
attendee chat, how
they
many?
just threw their computers across the room. That's what happened.
It did. I did. Don't destroy your computers. They're expensive, people. So don't destroy them.
Yeah.
Okay. How many of you guys are educators and hear the words 6-7 or 6-7? My daughter asked me what time this webinar is going to tonight, and I said oh there she is right there. Seriously. Okay, go
Yes.
walk away.
Oh wait, she literally just did it. Oh
She
my
literally
God.
just did it.
No.
She asked me what time the webinar is going tonight. I'm like, it's from 6 to 7. She's like, 6-7. Okay, so here's how I am now using it. I have a blog coming out, guys, this week about 67 different ways that you can use 6-7 in your classroom and turn this conversation around. So I'm giving you a sneak peek of things, but I've got stuff broken down by content type, by English, math class,
That's
science.
so cool.
So now when my daughter texts me, I've been doing this over the last week and writing this blog. Now when she texts me anything about 6-7, I text her back various facts about 6-7 or what happened in 1967 or stuff like that. I'm like, I'm going to reclaim this number that's driving me crazy. Granted, I've got a 12-year-old and a 10-year-old, almost 13-year-old. So creepy or cool? Is this a creepy way of using AI or is this a cool way of using AI? Because here's the thing. I am not going to spend my time or 67 minutes creating 67 ways to teach 6-7. So for me, this was a good way. All right.